Namaste, myself Manisha Solanki from RSV Higher Secondary School. I am going to present a poem from class 6th. The name of the poem is The Kite by Harry Ben. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail. As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a regular thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. This poem is written by Harry Ben. In this poem, the poet has drawn a beautiful picture of a flying kite through his words. The poet wants to make us familiar with the kite and how it flies in the sky. Explanation. Stanza first. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. Dive and dip. It means to go into water with a force and softness together. But here in this poem, it means it moves in the air with a force and softness together. Snaps means cracking sound. Blue means it is the color of the sky that is clear without clouds. In the first stanza, the poet tells us that a kite looks so bright on the clear blue sky when it flies for the first time. It moves in the air with softness and force together at the same time and makes a cracking sound by its tail. Stanza second. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Soars means fly high. Climbs means to go up. Sail means a cloth on a ship or a boat used to catch wind and help the boat to propel. Tides means rising and falling waves. Crest means mountain top or the highest point. In this stanza, the poet has compared the kite to a ship on the ocean. The kite flies high in the sky, just like a ship floats on the rising and falling waves on the deep water. It goes up to the highest point in the sky in a way a ship moves on the ocean. And when there is a strong burst of air blows, it moves forward. But as soon as the wind slows down, it seems as if it has stopped there to rest. Stanza third. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill and up it goes. String means thread. Slack means loose. When the thread tied to the kite loosens, the flyer tries to roll the thread and runs till a new breeze means new air, fresh air, fills its wings again to help it fly high. Stanza fourth. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a regular thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Reggaedo means torn or tattered. A kite looks very beautiful and bright on a clear sky, but when its strings get tangled in a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor, worn out look which is not liked by anyone. In this way, the poet has described the journey of a kite. And here, the journey of a kite come to an end. Hope you like the poem. Thank you. Have a good day.